Hey, assalamualaikum makeupaholics, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today it's gonna be a makeup collection video. I know this was requested for a very long time by Nasira Low. I'm so sorry, but I just managed to do it today. So if you guys want to see what's in my makeup drawers in my makeup room, or you can just see my little makeup corner, come. First of all, I don't really have a fancy drawer or fancy vanity, but yeah, this is what it looks like when you first come in. You can see all of my skin product here. This is not all, this is like half of it, but this is what I use like almost every day. This is like a moisturizer from Saint Eve. This is an eye cream. I have two eye cream here. This is from SK2 and this is from the Bio Essence. I use both in one day, but one is in the day and one is in the night, because the SK2 texture is much more heavy than the Bio Essence. So I use the Bio Essence one in the morning and the SK2 one is in the night. Then I have the SK2, what is this called, facial treatment essence, and then I have this finishing spray. This is the day and the night spray, and then I have the Australis makeup spray, and this is like my Arabic perfume. You can call it Minyak Atar. This is like all-time favorite. What the hell is wrong with you, Namira? The Malaikat Subuh. So yep, you can see a little corner of my facial stuff. Moving on, you can see mine. Okay, you can see my this is like my brushes. It's a bit dirty, so yeah, you can see this is all of my lip liners. I put it in a tin like this. Is from $2 shop. And then these are my makeup brushes. These are like face brushes, and these are the eyeshadow brushes. These are all DIY. I did myself. These are all the scents. I put a scent in it, and then this is from $2. They're all $2 product, so you just have to be creative. And finally, you guys are seeing my mirror. First of all, I don't own a First of all, I don't own a ring light. This is just do it yourself, be creative. I use a fairy light all over my mirror so it looks like a ring light. Voila! This is like a cheaper version, because ring light costs like wow expensive, especially the one in IKEA. It's like 100 plus, so forget it. This is just $7.90. This is what, wait, money. This is $7.90. I bought it at like a hardware shop nearby. And then moving here, you can see my little iPad. I need music whenever I do my makeup tutorial, and then behind it is just plugs. You guys don't want to see this. Okay, then as you can see from my first drawer, I have all of my foundation here. These are all my foundations. I have the Australis, Sedayu Tinggi, NYX, Sephora, Makeup Forever, Revlon, MAC, and more foundation here. This is the e.l.f. Catrice foundation, and I have this SK2 Aura Activator CC cream, and these are all my powders. And I put my kabuki brush with my beauty blender in here, and these are primers. This is the Maybelline one that I keep on using. This is the, what is this called, Australis Matte Face. And then I have like my under eye concealer. Second drawer, this is the second drawer. As you can see, I have like palettes here. This is my contouring. This is the AC On Tour contour. It's a bit dirty. And then at the back here is a huge eyeshadow palette with all of the colors. And then I have the Beauty UK palette. This is like the Naked 2 palette. This is eyelashes. And then follow here, you have like this is all my bronzer and blusher. This is the eyeshadow stick, mascara, more blushes, what is this called, eyeshadow, and then highlighter, bronzer. And then as you can see here is the single individual eyeshadow. Oh, my hand are glittery. Okay, as you can see, I have the Maybelline Color Tattoo. I have NYX. I have Maybelline Makeup Store, more NYX, and that's Sephora. I don't really remember. This is where, this is Body Shop. And here are all my purple. This is like silver. This is gold. This is like a blue eyeliner, and that too is all my, what is that called, wet tissue. I don't really use a makeup remover. I use wet tissue instead. And these are all my collection of contact lens. Yes, I do go crazy with contact lens. Okay, then moving on to the next drawer. the last drawer, which I keep all of my lipsticks in here, and then I have more of my facial product, which is SK-II, 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 and then I have my deodorant, I have my sunblock, my hairspray thing, cool hijab, scissors for my fake lashes, and this is that messy situation there. Don't even see it, ignore it, please, please, please. Obviously, I keep all of my rings, you know, because I love diamond or crystal. It's just my best friend, and I can never get enough of them. I need more with my own money. So that is the end of my makeup collection. I apologize first because if it's not up to you guys' standard, or if it's not like what you guys were expecting, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's just a simple makeup collection. I really hope this actually make you guys happy. Since I know Nasira Low has been requesting this for so long, she has been requesting it. I'm so sorry, girl, but I just managed to do it today, and I hope this really makes your day by seeing my makeup collection, and my dirty brushes and my dirty drawers. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down to my channel as per normal, and leave down comment or any suggestions. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, XOXO Nami. Mwah!